Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's begin by logging in into our Adcb app. Did you know that sending money from one Adcb account to another Adcb account within the app is free and costs nothing? Within just seconds, you can now transfer money to friends and loved ones. Without wasting any time, let us get started. At the bottom of your app, as indicated on the screen, click on Transfers. This window will be opened where you have beneficiaries, but to send money from one Adcb account to another instantly, you click Instant Transfer. You can see we have many options down below, like send money, request money, scan and pay. But our main focus here is sending money. So let us click or select send money. Again, this window here will be open where we have three options to send money. First being with mobile number or email ID. Second, using an Adcb account number. And the third, using an IBAN number. That is, if you want to send money to another bank within UAE, that is not Adcb. Since we want to send money from one Adcb account to another Adcb account, let us go with option number 2, which is transfer money using Adcb account. Remember to hit the like button and then click continue. If you don't have the Adcb zero balance account already, you can check in the description of this video. I'll drop a link of how to open one and you can register ASAP. As you can see on the screen, here is where we have to enter the account details. Go ahead and copy the account you want to send money to and then paste it in this space. The name of the account will automatically appear. Make sure it matches with the person you want to send the money to. Input his address, okay, and then click continue. Go ahead and select your account you want to send the money from. Here is where we have to put the amount we want to send. So let me put 100. Click the drop down button to select the purpose of this transfer, as in the reason why I'm sending this money. Usually, I prefer to select family expenses in order to avoid problems with the UAE tax authority. After that is done, you can enter the reference in this space here in case the person you're sending money to has specified or requests you to include the reference in the transaction. As a tip, avoid including anything crypto related in your reference to avoid problems with the authorities, as you can easily get your account flagged or even banned or even closed. And another tip, always make sure you have your Face ID activated at login. That will simplify everything when you're using this app. Wow. So subscribe and hit the like button as we move forward. Click continue. Review the information you have entered. Make sure the name, the address, and the account number is correct, and then confirm the transaction. The camera face verification prompt will open in order for you to verify your face and confirm this transaction. Make sure you are in an environment that is bright enough for your face to be verified. Once again, if you don't have an Adcb zero balance account, remember to check my video where I was showing you how to sign up for free step by step. Once this face verification is done, you will receive this verification message plus an app notification. You will also receive an SMS message to your registered number together with an email notifying you about this transaction. Remember, once this is confirmed in your app, you cannot reverse the transaction. Thank you.